Welcome to Peace of Mind Meditation. Today's meditation will be for gratitude and abundance. This was designed to help you feel grounded, present, and deeply connected to the blessings already in your life, while opening your heart to receive even more beautiful blessings from the universe. Let's go ahead and begin by finding a quiet, comfortable space. You can either sit or lie down and gently close your eyes. Let's take a deep breath in and slowly release it. Again, breathe in deeply through the nose. Hold for a moment. And exhale gently through the mouth. Let the gentle sounds guide you inward. With each breath, feel your body become heavier, more relaxed, more still. The rhythm of the music syncs with your heartbeat. Let your shoulders drop. Soften your jaw. Let the weight of the day melt away. Now, bring your awareness to your heart center, the space in the middle of your chest. Imagine a warm, soft light glowing right here in your heart center. With every breath, this light expands, radiating warmth, peace, and love. Begin to reflect on something or someone you are grateful for right now. It could be a moment, a person, a lesson learned, or simply the breath you're taking in. Let that gratitude fill your heart. Feel it gently expanding, warming every corner of your being. Now silently repeat in your mind or out loud, "Thank you. I am grateful. I am blessed." Again, thank you. I am grateful. I am blessed. With each repetition, let that light in your chest glow brighter and brighter. Now that your heart is open and grateful, let's invite abundance in. Not just material wealth, but abundance of love, health, joy, and purpose. Visualize your ideal life. Not in detail, but in feeling. What does abundance feel like to you? Perhaps it's freedom, ease, joy, or connection. Let that feeling fill your body. Let it grow like a garden blooming within you. You are fertile soil for abundance. Now silently in your mind or out loud, repeat these abundant affirmations. I am open to receiving. I am in harmony with abundance. I am aligned with the energy of prosperity. Again, I am open to receiving. I am in harmony with abundance. I am aligned with the energy of prosperity. Sit in this energy. Let it become who you are. Let the music support this feeling, rooting it deep into your subconscious. Breathe it in. Let it settle into your bones, your cells, your spirit. You are abundant. You are blessed. You are connected to everything you need. Let's take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Feel your heart full and your spirit light. Let's gently start to bring awareness back to the room around you. the present moment. When you're ready, at your own pace, open your eyes. Carry this feeling of gratitude and abundance with you. Let it guide your thoughts, your words, and your actions. And trust that more beauty is on its way to you. Know that abundance and gratitude are not destinations. They are your natural state. Thank you for joining me in this gratitude and abundance meditation. I hope to see you again soon. Namaste.